It's pretty solid. It's all wood construction. This is like some type of a faux wood finish on the top, like a glaze or something. One repair needs to be done there, and yeah, cleaned up. Overall, not in terrible condition. Bondo, all-purpose Bondo, I repaired that and repaired some scratches and nicks in other places.
I found a broken corner, so I'm going to use this quick wood epoxy. It just comes in a log. You just cut a piece off and mix it really well. So I use this to repair that corner on that drawer, as well as the corner on the top of the desk. I will be adding new hardware, so I'm using the Bondo to fill all of the existing holes.
This is just a latex paint. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to mix that in. And then I'm going to add some plaster of Paris to make my own chalk paint. This color is Valspar brand and it's called Mountain Smoke.
I'm sealing off my tape with this polyurethane just to create a barrier for when I paint over top of it so I get some nice crisp clean lines. I'm drilling a very small pilot hole for when I add my new hardware just to make it easier to screw into this hardwood. Using a very fine high grit sanding sponge, I lightly sanded the surface, and that was the final step. Let's have a quick look at the before we check out the final reveal. Let me know what you all think of my flip today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing as well. Thanks again. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.